The 1965 Mercedes-Benz 300SL remains an automotive icon, celebrated for its timeless design, engineering excellence, and historical significance. This legendary sports car, originally introduced in the 1950s, carried over its legacy with precision, craftsmanship, and high performance capabilities. It stands as one of the most sought-after classic cars, admired by collectors and enthusiasts worldwide. Its exterior is defined by elegant yet aggressive styling, featuring a long, aerodynamic hood, distinctive gullwing doors in the coupe variant, and smooth flowing lines that enhance its sophistication. The Roadster version, introduced later, offered a more open-top driving experience, without compromising the car's striking presence. Chrome accents, wire-spoke wheels, and a bold Mercedes-Benz emblem add to its commanding road appeal. The lightweight tubular space frame construction not only enhances performance but also showcases innovative engineering for its time. Beneath the hood, the 1965 Mercedes-Benz 300SL houses a powerful 3.0-liter inline-six engine, equipped with Bosch mechanical fuel injection. This advanced system allows it to generate approximately 220 horsepower, a remarkable figure for the era. The engine pairs with a 4-speed manual transmission, ensuring a thrilling and engaging driving experience. With a top speed exceeding 160 miles per hour, it was among the fastest production cars of its time. The sophisticated double wishbone suspension and responsive handling made it a favorite for both road and track performance. Stepping inside the cabin, the 300SL offers a luxurious yet driver-focused interior. Premium leather upholstery, polished aluminum trim, and an elegantly designed dashboard reflect the brand's commitment to quality. The classic steering wheel, analog gauges, and minimalist layout embody the essence of vintage automotive design. The comfortable bucket seats provide excellent support, while the refined materials enhance the overall ambience. Safety and technology in the 300SL were ahead of their time, featuring a rigid chassis for structural integrity and enhanced aerodynamics for stability at high speeds. The advanced fuel injection system improved efficiency and reliability, setting new standards in automotive performance. As a collector's dream, the 1965 Mercedes-Benz 300SL commands high value in the classic car market. Depending on condition and originality, prices can range well into the millions, making it one of the most valuable vintage automobiles. Its rarity and historic significance only add to its desirability. This masterpiece of German engineering continues to be a symbol of excellence, blending performance, style, and innovation. For more legendary car reviews and exclusive automotive content, subscribe to the channel and stay updated on the most iconic vehicles in history.